Hello and welcome to your NAB Trade earnings season top 3. I'm Andrew Gagan. Well, insurer QBE has reported net profit of just over $1 billion or 1.56 billion Australian for its first half, compared with the $802 million from the previous first half, driven by stronger income from written policies and limited claims. It says it's on track to hit full-year targets with gross written premium growth of 6% to $13.8 billion. Its combined operating ratio, which is a measure of profitability, was at 92.8%, an improvement of the prior period with a ratio below 100%, indicating profitable underwriting. Its annualised adjusted return on equity was 19.2%, and the net cost of catastrophe claims of $479 million was 5.4% of net insurance revenue and within forecasts. QBE expecting gross written premium growth in the mid-single digits for the remainder of 2025. It will pay an interim dividend of 31 cents a share. Shares in Block rose in extended trade in New York after reporting a rise in second quarter income and raising its full-year forecast. The payments firm now expecting FY25 gross profit of $10.17 billion, up from $9.96 billion forecast earlier. Second quarter gross profit rose 14% to just over $2.5 billion. Bitcoin revenue declined to $2.1 billion. Block saying its businesses and consumers have continued to spend on essential products, even as they have cut back on discretionary expenses amid macroeconomic uncertainty. Retailer Scali says it's had a strong second half in Australia and New Zealand, with the UK expansion continuing with 12 stores refurbished and rebranded. That's despite underlying net profit slumping close to 25% over the year. In the local market, underlying net profit was down more than 12% to $73.2 million, with operating costs increasing driven by employment expenses. Excluded from those rising costs is a further $2.8 million relating to trouble with its main freight forwarder. Still, Nick Scali saying sales revenue for the first quarter of FY26 is expected to be higher on the previous year, supported by further store openings. In the UK, losses are expected to continue until the remaining stores are refurbished and individual store sales improve. The final dividend of 33 cents a share has been declared, down 9% on last year. Total dividend payments for the year fell 12% to 60 cents. And that is your NAB Trade reporting season top 3.